Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up a OneDrive account in Windows 10. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, navigate to your desktop and open your preferred browser. In the address bar, type in google.com. Once Google loads, use the search bar to type in OneDrive. From the search results that appear, look for and click on the Microsoft OneDrive app result. This will take you directly to the official OneDrive website where you can create your account. Once you're on the OneDrive website, you'll see the main sign-in page. Since you're setting up a new account, look below the sign-in field where you'll find a link that says No Account, Create One. Go ahead and click on this link to begin the account creation process. This is what allows you to access OneDrive's cloud storage features and sync your files across all your devices. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Type in the email you want to use for your OneDrive account in the provided field, then click Next. This email will serve as your login credential and where you'll receive important notifications about your account. After that, you'll be required to create a strong password for your account. Make sure to choose something secure that combines letters, numbers, and special characters to keep your files safe. Enter your password in the field and click Next to continue. OneDrive will use this password to protect your data and ensure only you can access your stored files. For the next part, you'll need to add some personal information to complete your account setup. Simply follow the on-screen instructions and steps that appear. Microsoft will guide you through each required field, which typically includes your name, country, and birth date. This information helps personalize your OneDrive experience and adds an extra layer of security to your account. And that's it, you've successfully set up your OneDrive account in Windows 10 and you're now ready to start storing and syncing your files in the cloud. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.